Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Oh yes, corner bookmark time again. Today we have these adorable little mice, which are super easy to make, and I hope you will love as much as I do. Aren't those little tail the cutest? Oopsie! And just whilst I have your attention, oh look, my new paper projects book. And yes, my project book contains some corner bookmarks to get you going and thinking and creating your own ideas. So why don't you check that out as well, because a paper projects book by me without corner bookmarks just wouldn't be the same. Anyway, let's get on with it and take a look and see how these cute little mice are made. So we will need a rectangular piece of paper which we'll cut into square, some contrasting, glue, scissors and some pens. Now I say rectangular rather than our usual square paper because we'll need a little bit of extra paper to make the ears, and if you want to add a tail as well. I often forget to add the tail, so let's see if I remember at the end. So I folded this up and folded it, cut it, and that means I now have a nice square. Keep this for later. Fold up, basic corner bookmark, take the point up to the top, repeat, point up to the top, open, fold one, flap down, bring this over and tuck it in. Do as neat as you possibly can and repeat. There we go, the basic corner bookmark in white. Now we need to turn this into a mouse. Now we made a bunny a few years ago. The bunny was made out of exactly the same shape, but it had pointy ears. And now we're going to make the same again, but with kind of round ears. You can use perfect circles if you wish. I'm just going to use slightly oblong, whatever you want to call them. Also means that each mouse will look completely different, or not completely, somewhat different. Because each time you cut the ears out, you'll have a slightly different shape, and that's really good. So, mouse with some little pink bits. Let's see if that's too big. Cut these down a little bit. Who knows, sometimes it takes a couple of goes, which is fine. It's all part of crafting and having a go. I think this is better. Oh my goodness, they're so cute already. I'm so excited. Now in case, just so I don't forget, I do want to add a tail. You could add a little straight one. I want to cut a little round one. You really don't have to. It's totally up to you as per usual. Just have a look at what you want to make. Just kind of cutting a little spiral. See how it turns out. We do love making it up as we go along, don't we? There we go. If it's easier, you can draw it first. Glue on your features. So add my ear. My other ear. Put a little bit of glue on the back. I'm going to stick it on the back. And then this one. Nice big ears. The positioning of the ears, of course, also gives the mouse a different look and feel. So again, you can play with that. Draw a little nose at the bottom. Add some little whiskers and then some eyes. Now you can choose, have them over here, over here. So really just play. Each mouse will be a little bit different. And make a little girl mouse, a little boy mouse. And there you have it. Your mouse corner bookmark is finished. So yes, as with all our bookmarks, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you here again soon. As you can see, I'm just playing now with the positioning of the mouse ears. Perfect. There we go. Anyway, hope you like this little mouse. See you again soon. Take care. Bye.